Good morning, students, and welcome back to our SPI online class of class 10 mathematics. Today, we start or we discuss about a new chapter named Arithmetic Progression, shortly AP. At first, or before starting chapter Arithmetic Progression or AP, we discuss what is sequence. Now, a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term by a constant is called an AP, and this constant is called the common difference of the AP. Here, the sequence. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, the common difference is 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. This sequence is called an AP. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 10, 0, minus 10, minus 20, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Here, this one, 5, 10, the sequence is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Here, common difference is 5. 10 minus 5, 15 minus 10, 20 minus 15. In each case, the common difference is 5. So, this sequence is called an AP. Or the terms are in AP. Here 10, 0, minus 10, minus 20. This sequence is also are in AP because here common difference minus 10, because 0 minus 10 equal to minus 10, minus 10 minus 0 equal to minus 10, minus 20 minus of minus 10 equal to minus 10. Here a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, etc. This sequence is also are in AP. Here common difference d, because a minus d equal to d, a plus d minus a equal to d, etc. Here all the sequence or all the series are each separately are in a AP. This type of sequence is called are in a AP. All are in a AP. Here this term 1, here 5, here 10, here a minus d. This starting from this term, the starting term is called the first term, denoted by T1, and this is second term, common difference, each term minus its preceding terms. Okay. Here first we take T1 equal to first term A, it's A. Then if take common difference is d, then second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d, add d, a plus d, add again d, you get third term a plus 2d, and a, we can rewrite the term a equal to a plus 1 minus 1 into d, because 1 minus 1 equal to 0. D only d means 1d. In place of 1, we can write 2 minus 1. So, a plus d equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d, a plus 2d. In place of 2, we can write 3 minus 1 into d. In this way, first term t1 a plus 1 minus 1d, second term t2 a plus 2 minus 1 into d, third term t3 a plus 3 minus 1 into d. In this way, if we go more, then we get T in, that means n dot equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. It is the formula of formula to find out the nth term of an AP. Okay. Here we solve some problem of this chapter, that is arithmetic progression. The first problem is find the 20th term of the AP 9, 13, 17, 21, Here first term is 9 and d equal to 13 minus 9 or 17 minus 13. 13 minus 9 equal to 4. So 20th term a plus n minus 1 into d, that means here 20 n equal to 20, 20 minus 1 into d equal to 85. Next one, if the nth term of a progression is 4n minus 10, show that it is an AP, find its first term, common difference and 16th term. Here let Tn equal to 4n minus 10. So in place of n we put 1, 2, 3 etc. T1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 10, that is 6 minus 6. T2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 10, that is minus 2. T3 equal to, in place of n we put 3, 4 into 3 minus 10, that is 2. Here T2 minus T1, that is 2 minus of minus 6 equal to 4. T3 minus T2, that is 2 minus of minus 2 equal to 4. It is one common difference and it is also one common difference. Next common difference, here we see that two common differences are equal. Here common differences are equal, so the progression is an AP. Proved. Next, first term equal to T1 equal to minus 6. Common difference equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Here common difference equal to 4 and 16 terms T16 a plus 16 minus 1 into d. A formula is a equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n we put 16. So a plus 16 minus 1 into d. In place of a we put minus 6 and d we put 4. Okay, a equal to minus 6 and d equal to 4. So 16 minus 1, 15 into 4, 60. Minus 6 plus 60 equal to 54. Okay. Now I solve few more problems of this exercise. Which term of the AP is 72, 68, 64, 60, 0? Which term of this AP is 0? Okay. Here A or first term equal to 72, B equal to 68 minus 72 minus 4. Let Tn equal to 0. So A plus n minus 1 into B equal to 0. Here A equal to 72 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 equal to 0. That means n minus 1 equal to 72 by 4 equal to 18. That means n equal to 18 plus 1 equal to 19. So 19 term equal to 0. Okay. If pth term of an AP Q, on another map, pth term equal to Q and qth term equal to P is given. Okay, so that P plus qth term is 0. Very important math. It is in an AP, pth term is Q and qth term is P. Prove that or show that P plus qth term of that AP is 0. Let solution. Let first term equal to A and common difference equal to D. So pth term, that is T of P equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. It is given. and qth term tq equal to a plus q minus 1 into d equal to p. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. By subtracting these two equations, we get a minus a cancel, p minus 1 minus q plus 1 into d equal to minus of p minus q. So d equal to minus 1. Okay, from 1 a class of p minus 1 into in place of d you put minus 1 equal to q, that is a equal to p plus q minus 1, this side plus p plus q minus 1. So d equal to minus 1 and a equal to p plus q minus 1. Now p plus q term, that is p plus q equal to a plus n minus 1. Here n equal to p plus q minus 1 into d. Here a equal to a p plus q minus 1 plus of p plus q minus 1 and d equal to a minus 1. So p plus q minus 1 minus p plus q minus 1 equal to 0. Proof. So p plus q term equal to 0. Proof. It is very important. And today here I close this chapter, and that's all for today. Thank you.